What do you want? What are you doing? Get to work.
Can you imagine how tough it would be to peel these logs? Now, we use real white pine logs, cut in half, and peel them by hand. It's one of those things that looks easier than it actually is. On the final day, Kendall challenges Kyle to a peel fight. Who will win? Will Kyle give up or cheat his way to victory? Let's go. One of our favorite customers contacted us for logs they can use for half-log siding on a new addition of their cabin. At first, we were only supposed to provide the logs so another sawmill could cut them in half. As usual, plans fell through and we were asked to cut them in half and peel them for the customer. Just the peeling portion of this project required that we hired some friends from church and took place over a span of 4 days just to peel all 250 half-logs.
Is that it? No, I don't know.
We show you the painstaking process over 4 days in the summer heat, laughing and giving each other crap the entire time. If you know anything about me, I'm glad I wasn't the one that had to peel them all.
Let it not be said that I don't do work around here.
This guy was the biggest distraction of us all. Yeah, we couldn't even work because he's sitting there, camera in my face. Are we gonna do a competition?
There won't be no competition.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Maybe tomorrow. We have found that spraying the half-logs with a power washer before you peel them and letting them soak for a bit helps to take off the bark easier. The boys are using what's called Drawknives to peel the bark off the white pine logs. If you guys are interested in getting a draw knife, I'll drop a link in the description for you to check them out.
Break time, sweaty break time, huh? Well deserved.
This is Tony. He was easily the fastest peeler.
That's what she told you.
We'll get ready when you say go, okay? Hold on. Ready, set, go.
It seems like one of those things where it looks easy at first, but once you get into peeling in multiple half-logs well into the hot part of the day, it definitely takes a toll on your mindset.
One minute, 36 seconds.
Come on, Kyle. Something about wanting to, do a bet? The winner gets free blockwood firewood for a year.
Yeah. There you go. What a deal.
Yeah. Sweet deal.
That's a good one. So Kendall and I, if you guys remember our old bet on whether or not I could sell lumber, we parlayed it into the next video or whatever bet we're gonna do. So now we had an idea to race to see who could peel the log first. It's Kendall versus me, and place your bets and who's gonna win. Okay. Ready, set.
Okay. All right, guys. I pulled Tony aside. I told him that if he seen me falling behind and peeling my part of the log, to come in and help me. Now, I'm going to have Kendall facing outward, so his back's turned to us. He can come in and behind Kendall and start peeling the other side of the log. So we're going to see how that turns out. Hopefully this works out for us. Yeah.
Go. Hold on. Kendall pulling ahead by a mile already. What? One! Yes! Yes! No way! Why not the party? Peeled it all the way? What's that? Ah! 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 It's not peeled! It's peeled? No, it's not peeled!
That is so peeled.
Look at this! That's technically...
That's a $100 piece of bark right there.
that was technically peeled.
No, it's not peeled.
Kinda. In a way. Whew. I was done first.
God, it's not bad.
I was done first, though.
We're not done. Still got bark on the side of the logs.
Well, you're just gonna have to.
Cheater, pumpkin eater.
You're just gonna have to let us know in the comments who you think won.
What do you think, boss? Do these guys do a good job?
They did.
Over
They
the
were.
past 3 days?
This is a hard job to do, and they got 250 of them peeled, or almost. So, yeah, we're real close to being done. Real happy. So, yeah. Hard work. Hard work.
As you can see, I totally won this challenge, hands down. Click this video right here to watch Kendall and I roast some of the most funniest lumber and logging fails, and give you our take on the most clever sawmill hacks on the internet. See you there, brother.